Hello and welcome to KNP's Fun with Tech. So in the previous video, I showed you how to hide a file or a folder. Now, after watching that video, many of you might think that okay, it's possible to hide a file or folder, of course, but but what about drives? Is it really possible to hide a complete drive? Well, of course it is possible. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to hide a complete drive. Now, let's just say that I want to hide the volume D. Then open the command prompt. Now make sure to run the command prompt as an administrator because the commands we are going to use require certain administrative rights. Okay, now that you have opened the command prompt, just type the command diskpart and press enter. Then type the command list volume and press enter. Now, if you want to hide the volume D, just select it by typing select volume D and press enter. Now it says volume D is selected. Make sure to remember the position where volume D is present, which is at 4th, because when you are going to unhide it, you have to remember the position that was present. It was present at. Now that volume D is selected, just type the command remove letter D and press enter. It says that disk part successfully removed. Now if you go to my computer, you'll see that volume D is nowhere present. It is successfully hidden. It's as simple as that. So now if you want to unhide it, just first exit the disk part by typing exit. Then again type the command disk part. The commands are almost the same, just one command is different, the last command. Now type the command list volume and press enter. Now it shows you volume present. At volume 4 you can see that D is not written because we have removed the letter D. Now to select it, just type select volume 4 instead of volume D. It says volume 4 is selected. Now in order to unhide it again, just type the command assign letter D. Earlier we wrote as remove letter D, now write assign letter D. It says disk part successfully assigned. Now if you go to my computer, you can see that volume D is present again. So it's as simple as that, right? Now you can exit the disk part. So I hope this video was helpful and I hope you learned something new. And before you go, please support us by liking this video and sharing video with your friends and subscribing to our channel KNP's Fun with Tech. Thank you.